employed in the agency?
So right now I have my own business. No.
Okay.
So
Okay.
I don't do my nursing anymore since 2016 because I'm so busy helping a lot of families and companies and mga small businesses na ma-educate sila, and then after that they get the solution, and that's where I get my compensation.
Okay.
So it's like when I was a nurse, I was providing healthcare services, right? Same
Yes,
thing
yes.
here. After I educate, I was providing financial services.
So, is that only confined in Tennessee, or meron din
No,
kayong...
nationwide, I am licensed by different states.
Okay. So, you have to get a license from each state, no? Kasi iba-iba
Yeah.
naman
Oo.
state
Iba-ibang
licensure.
state fee. Yeah, pero isa lang ang test ko. State of Tennessee lang. Tapos kukuha lang ako ng reciprocity state fee for different states.